In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with QuickBooks. This connection lets your payment data flow automatically from Stripe into QuickBooks, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. By the end, you'll have a reliable link that keeps your books up to date with your latest transactions. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the company you want to connect. Make sure you're using an account with admin permissions, since only admins can add integrations. From the main workspace, head to the area where you manage tools and add-ons. Look for the section labeled My Integrations. Depending on your layout, it can appear in the left menu or under Settings. If the interface looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. QuickBooks updates its design from time to time. Focus on finding My Integrations, which is where all app connections live. Inside My Integrations, select Find Integrations. This opens QuickBooks' app catalog, which is the official marketplace for approved connections. Opening the catalog from here ensures the Stripe app you install is compatible with your QuickBooks edition and region. In the app catalog, use the search bar and type Stripe. You should see results related to payments and syncing. Look for the official Stripe option that clearly mentions connecting Stripe to QuickBooks. Check the app description, ratings, and publisher to confirm it's legitimate. If you manage multiple companies in QuickBooks, double-check you're searching from the correct company file so the connection is applied to the right place. Once you've found the Stripe listing, choose it and select Connect. QuickBooks will guide you through an authorization flow. You'll be prompted to sign into your Stripe account in a secure window and approve the permissions that allow QuickBooks to read your payment data. If you manage more than one Stripe account, be sure to pick the correct one for this company. If a pop-up is blocked by your browser, allow pop-ups temporarily so the authorization window can open. During this process, review the summary of what data will be shared and confirm. When the connection succeeds, you'll be returned to QuickBooks and should see Stripe listed among your integrations. That's it. You've connected Stripe with QuickBooks. A few quick tips before you go.